Do you get confused about when to use at night, in the night, during the night, by night, or throughout the night? That's 5 different prepositions for night. Well, don't worry, today I'm going to explain it in a way that you'll finally get it. First of all, at night, super common. We use it to talk about something that usually happens at night. For example, I like reading at night. In general, a routine. That's easy. Now, let's look at in the night. Different story here. It's not a routine. It's something that happened in a particular night. For example, I woke up in the night because of a lot of noise. I woke up in the middle of the night because of the sound. You see the difference? The first one, at night, is a habit, but this one isn't a habit. It's a specific event. Moving on, during the night is very close to in the night, but more formal. You use it to describe events that happened over the course of the night. For example, it snowed heavily during the night. It's more formal, it's more complete. Now, by night, now this one's a little bit more poetic, a little bit more cinematic. We use it to say something happens when it's nighttime and it sounds prettier. For example, the city looks beautiful by night. The city looks gorgeous by night. And finally, throughout the night, this is non-stop. Something that happens all through the night from start to finish. For example, the baby cried throughout the night. Okay, poor parents. All of the night. Okay, so quick recap. At night, regular routine. In the night, a one-time event. During the night, one-time event but more formal. By night is poetic, pretty style, and throughout the night is non-stop all night. If you want more tips like this to speak English fearlessly and fluently, make sure to subscribe, and remember, if you like the video, thumbs up. Every video is a step closer to your perfect English.